Number 1.
1990 Chevrolet S10, price $8,449, is a well-built single-cab short-bed pickup featuring a clean title and only 73,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 350 small block V8 paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers strong performance through a rear-wheel drive setup. The truck has been lowered with a 4/6-inch drop, giving it an aggressive stance, while drag tires enhance its street and strip appeal. Finished in red with a matching red interior, this gasoline-powered S10 stands out with eye-catching appearance.
Number 2.
1999 Ford F-150, price $6,500, powered by a 5.4L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has been driven approximately 219,000 miles. It features a silver exterior complemented by a gray interior, offering a classic and well-maintained appearance. The truck has no known mechanical issues and runs smoothly with no warning lights illuminated on the dashboard. It has recently received brand new ignition coils and spark plugs. The tires are in good condition, and both the air conditioning and heating systems function properly, providing cold AC and hot heat when needed.
Number 3.
1986 GMC Sierra, Classic, 2500, price $10,000, is equipped with a dependable 350 V8 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission and 4.10 gears. It has approximately 50,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. The truck features a brown exterior complemented by a matching brown interior. The vehicle currently has valid registration tags and remains free of significant rust, which is increasingly rare for a truck of this age.
The paint is in decent condition and presents well overall.
While it is not a perfect show-quality truck and could use some minor work, it is generally in good shape and should provide a solid driving experience without any major immediate concerns.
Number 4.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. It has 123,000 miles and is powered by a 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck features a striking turquoise exterior and a burgundy interior, creating a unique color combination that stands out wherever it goes. The truck has been tastefully upgraded with a lowered suspension, roll pan, tinted windows, sliding rear window, and a Flowmaster exhaust system for an enhanced look and sound.
It also includes a Bluetooth radio, adding modern convenience to its classic appeal.
With its clean paint, solid condition, and desirable custom touches, this C1500 offers an excellent opportunity for anyone seeking a well-kept and stylish vintage Chevrolet pickup.
Number 5.
1981 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000, with only 63,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a striking red exterior, a black interior, and is powered by a gasoline-fueled Crate 350 engine that has approximately 1,500 miles since installation. The truck is equipped with an Edelbrock camshaft and carburetor, delivering an aggressive sound and impressive power.
It is completely rust-free and provides an excellent foundation.
The suspension has been upgraded with tubular upper and lower control arms, drop spindles, and a rear axle flip, resulting in a tight, smooth, and comfortable ride. Additional performance upgrades include Hedman headers, a new 2.5-inch exhaust system, and a Champion aluminum radiator with dual electric fans that keep the engine running cool. A Loker floor shifter adds to the truck's custom appeal. The 700R4 transmission currently has an issue during the shift into third gear, causing the RPMs to surge, and this will need attention. However, the truck still runs and drives as it sits.
The wooden bed flooring will also need replacement, but the sale includes the oak slats needed to complete the restoration.
Number 6. 1982 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000. It has approximately 100,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior paired with a red interior and is powered by a gasoline-fueled small-block Chevrolet 350 V8 engine. The truck has recently received extensive mechanical updates, including a freshly sealed SBC 350 engine with rebuilt cylinder heads, new rockers and pushrods, a new carburetor, alternator, water pump, starter, fuel pump, distributor, spark plugs,
and ignition wires. All fluids have also been replaced.
The TH350 automatic transmission has been rebuilt and shifts smoothly, providing reliable performance.
It rides on attractive 20-inch wheels that complement its classic appearance. The body is straight overall and presents well with decent paint. There is only minor rust present on the lower door rocker areas. Inside, the interior is complete and intact, and the floors remain solid.
This truck is a running and driving project that requires only a few minor items to be addressed, including mufflers, headlight bulbs, a windshield wiper switch, and a non-functioning fuel gauge.
Number 7.
1997 Mazda B4000, price $8,200, with 140,000 miles, featuring a brown exterior, tan interior, and a dependable 4.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck is equipped with a fully functional 4x4 system, a Ford 8.8 limited-slip rear differential, and a Dana 35 front axle, providing excellent capability on various terrains. It comes with a clean title, has been freshly smogged, and the registration tags are valid through August 2026. Recent maintenance includes a new AC compressor, ABS sensor, driveshaft carrier bearing, and a fresh oil change, helping ensure reliable performance. It also rides on a set of Cooper all-terrain tires in good condition. The truck runs and drives great and remains in good overall condition for its age, showing only a few minor cosmetic blemishes. Overall, it is a solid, dependable pickup that is ready for daily use, work, or weekend adventures.
Number 8.
1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,999, with 151,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a dependable V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering the performance and capability these trucks are known for. Finished in white with a black interior, this rear-wheel drive (RWD) truck features a long bed, custom wheels, and upgraded tires that give it a clean and distinctive look while maintaining its practical utility. Overall, the truck is straight and remains in good condition for its age. As expected from a vehicle that is over 30 years old, there are some areas where the paint and clear coat show wear and could benefit from refinishing.
However, these are primarily cosmetic issues and do not take away from the truck's overall appeal.
With its strong V8 powertrain, desirable long bed configuration, and clean, clear title, this GMC Sierra 1500 is ready to be driven, enjoyed, or further restored by its next owner.
Number 9.
1984 Chevrolet Scottsdale, price $5,500. It has approximately 12,000 miles on it and features a white exterior complemented by a black interior. It is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and has been upgraded with 35-inch Super Swamper tires mounted on Rally Sport wheels, along with an impressive 8-inch Skyjacker lift kit that gives it a commanding presence both on and off the road. The truck has a clean interior, and while the dashboard has been removed, the cabin remains in good overall condition for its age. The title is in hand, making for a straightforward transfer to its next owner. Although the body is rough and shows signs of wear, the Scottsdale runs and drives great, making it a solid candidate for a variety of uses. Its strong running condition, lifted suspension, and aggressive tire setup provide a great foundation for further customization or immediate use.
Number 10.
1991 Chevrolet 2500, price $2,650, powered by a dependable 350 V8 engine and configured with a desirable long bed, making it well suited for work, hauling, or restoration. The odometer currently reads 101,000 miles, however, it is inoperative, so the actual mileage cannot be verified. The truck runs and drives, but the transmission does not have third gear and will require repair or replacement. A topper is included with the sale, providing additional covered storage space and utility.
The underside exhibits rust consistent with the vehicle's age and use.
It is equipped with Goodyear Wrangler tires dated 2021 and benefits from a recently installed new battery. With its classic Chevrolet truck styling, strong V8 powertrain, and clean title, this 2500 presents a good opportunity for someone looking for a capable project truck, work vehicle, or platform for further restoration and improvement.